Did you know that chia seeds have been around since the 16th century, originating with the Aztec civilization? The Aztecs valued these seeds so highly that they offered them as sacrifices to their gods. Hello viewers, and welcome back to another video. Today we're exploring one of the most nutritious seeds available, chia seeds. Recognized as one of the healthiest superfoods on the planet, they have moved from being a trendy item to a mainstream staple. You'll find them in regular supermarkets, included in products ranging from fruit drinks and energy bars to cereals and tortilla chips. These nutrient-dense seeds offer incredible health benefits for your body. In this video, we will discuss these benefits in detail. From lowering blood pressure and making you feel full longer to reducing stress, strengthening bones, and improving skin health. Stay tuned to learn more. If you enjoy this content, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us until the end for a valuable tip on how to incorporate chia seeds into your daily routine. Prevents constipation. A quarter-cup serving of chia seeds provides about 50% of the average daily fiber requirement. Fiber is crucial for digestive health, and chia seeds contain both soluble and insoluble types. Soluble fiber absorbs water, helping to soften stool, while insoluble fiber adds bulk, making it easier and quicker to pass. When increasing fiber intake, it's essential to do so gradually and drink plenty of water to help your body adjust. What foods cause constipation for you? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Lowers blood pressure. Chia seeds are packed with beneficial components such as fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidant polyphenols, all of which support liver health and circulation, contributing to lower blood pressure. They also contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which inhibits the formation of compounds that increase blood pressure. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in lignans, antioxidants, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, all of which provide substantial protection against high blood pressure. By reducing nitrate levels in the blood, chia seeds further help in lowering blood pressure. Helps you feel fuller for longer. Chia seeds can help control weight gain by reducing the tendency to overeat. These seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they can absorb 12 times their weight in water. When mixed with water, they expand and form a gelatinous substance. This chia gel, when included in your food, makes you feel fuller for longer, even if you haven't eaten much. It's crucial to drink enough water after consuming chia seeds to help them move smoothly through your digestive system. Great alternative for vegans. A common concern for those switching to veganism is getting enough protein and calcium. Fortunately, chia seeds contain more calcium per ounce than many dairy products. Regularly eating chia seeds instead of meat ensures you won't miss out on essential nutrients or taste. Additionally, chia seeds can replace eggs in baking due to their gel-like consistency. To substitute one egg, mix 1 tablespoon of whole chia seeds or 2 teaspoons of ground chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes until it thickens to the consistency of a raw egg. You can also prepare extra chia gel and refrigerate it for up to a week. Chia seeds are gluten-free, making them a healthier alternative to processed grains and ideal for those with gluten allergies. Their nutritional value also enhances less healthy food items like cakes and muffins. Caffeine-free source of energy. Dehydration can lead to fatigue. Adding a teaspoon of chia seeds to your water bottle and letting it sit for 5 minutes allows the seeds to absorb the water. Drinking this mixture provides stable energy due to chia seeds' balanced ratio of protein, fats, and fiber, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. Powerful stress buster. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, an essential nutrient that helps keep cortisol, the stress hormone, levels low. Low magnesium levels are linked to headaches and fatigue. Chia seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in serotonin production, helping to reduce anxiety and promote regular sleep patterns. Good for bones and teeth. Increased consumption of calcium-rich foods like chia seeds can enhance skeletal health. Chia seeds are an effective way to boost calcium intake. They are also rich in manganese, crucial for strong bones and teeth, and phosphorus, a mineral that supports bone health. Additionally, the antioxidants in chia seeds help protect your teeth from damage. Helps you lose weight. No single food can cause weight loss or gain. It depends on overall habits and lifestyle. Chia seeds are beneficial for weight loss due to their high fiber content. A daily intake of 25 to 38 grams of chia seeds can aid in shedding pounds. These seeds help reduce belly fat by keeping you full for longer periods. According to a study, chia seeds contribute to fat reduction. They are also rich in protein, which promotes satiety and weight loss. Improves skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can improve circulation, reduce dryness, and alleviate skin inflammation. Studies have shown that omega-3s help protect the skin from UV radiation. Chia seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties that help prevent wrinkles and reduce skin sagging. Helps treat diverticulosis. Diverticulosis involves the presence of tube-like structures in the intestine without signs of inflammation. Chia seeds, being vegetarian and rich in omega-3s, can help prevent diverticular disease. A lack of fiber is linked to diverticulosis, and chia seeds, an excellent fiber source, can aid in its prevention. They absorb water in the colon, facilitating smooth bowel movements. Ways to add chia seeds to your diet. Smoothies. Smoothies are an excellent way to ensure you're consuming enough fruits and vegetables. They're also easy to make. Just toss everything into your blender, including chia seeds, and blend. Since chia seeds have no flavor, they can be added to almost any smoothie recipe. Oatmeal. If oatmeal is your preferred breakfast, add a tablespoon of chia seeds for extra fiber and protein. The chia seeds will enhance the texture and make each bite more satisfying. Baked goods. For those who dislike chia seeds' gelatinous texture, try incorporating them into baked goods. Chia gel helps keep baked items moist and can be used as an egg substitute or thickener. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of muffins or quick breads before baking for added texture and nutrition. Healthy bars. Chia seeds can boost the fiber content of homemade granola, energy, or protein bars. Make chia seed energy bars using dates, coconut oil, chia seeds, and vanilla. You can also add other healthy ingredients like dark chocolate, coconut, and dried fruit. Stir fry. Though it might not seem obvious, chia seeds can be added to savory dishes like stir fry. They will soften with the other ingredients, making their presence barely noticeable while boosting the dish's protein and omega-3 content, along with providing extra fiber from the vegetables. Jam. When making homemade fruit jams, you typically need pectin for thickening. However, chia seeds can act as a natural thickener by absorbing the liquid from the fruits, giving the jam a great texture. Chia jam is healthier than store-bought varieties and can be served on toast, muffins, pancakes, and other baked goods. Salad dressings. Chia seeds can enhance salad dressings by blending well with ingredients like olive oil, vinegar, honey, and lemon juice. Adding about a tablespoon of chia seeds to any salad dressing recipe will thicken the mixture. To avoid artificial ingredients found in many commercial dressings, try making a chia seed vinaigrette by combining chia seeds with honey, Dijon mustard, and apple cider vinegar. Juices. Chia drinks are popular in health food stores and juice bars, but you can make your own at home. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 2 cups of water or coconut water, and 1 cup of fruit juice or pureed fresh fruit. Let the mixture sit until it thickens, then stir before drinking. Pudding chia pudding is a simple and nutritious dish that resembles tapioca pudding in texture. It's easy to make at home and versatile enough for breakfast or an elegant dessert. While chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, don't overlook other beneficial seeds. Do you enjoy incorporating chia seeds into your meals? I will leave an Amazon link in the first pinned comment with the brand of chia seeds that I recommend for a super affordable price. Share your thoughts in the comment section below.